Hey everyone, Lewis Bittle here, Hair for All. Just wanted to do a quick video just to show everyone from my last videos. Today I've had a brand new system put on. Now the system what I've gone for this time is a little bit different to my normal ones because I am getting older, I'm 30 now. So what I wanted to do was do a video which basically shows the different tones you can have put through a hair system. Now with this one I've gone half skin, half lace. And also with this one, as you might be able to see, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, I've had a bit of grey which goes through it because some of my sides have grey going through it. So what I've done is put a bit of grey going through the actual body of the system just to actually show sort of, just to sort of give it a real sort of, a real hair sort of as your hair would do, normally grow a bit of grey hair through the actual system. But yeah, as you can see, now this is my fourth system. The last system I had was lasted me about 7 months. This system now again will last probably about that, depending on how well I look after it. But as you can see, it's a fantastic superb fit. What Colin's done for me. Hairline is looking cracking on it. It just feels brand new.